Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinaza Mary Cynthia. If this is your first time on this channel, please do also subscribe, like, comment, and if you are a returning subscriber, God bless you so much. Thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. All right. So guys, on today's video, I am going to be reviewing a particular brand's body lotion. Yes, there is this particular brand that is so popular. Now, I got one of their body lotions. You guys know that the body lotion I've been using has always been Johnson's Vita Rich Brightening Body Lotion, and I have actually reviewed that body lotion. I'm going to be leaving the link of that video in the description box. All right. So I went to repurchase that particular one. They said it's 4,500, so I had to look for a cheaper option that is still going to be good for me. And guess what? I got this cheaper option. Yes, I got it from a particular popular brand. And which brand is that? The Nivea Radiant and Beauty Body Lotion. This is the particular variant that I got. I got this particular one that contains vitamin C and turmeric, and it also contains SPF, though it is SPF 15, but somehow it is still an SPF, right? So this is the brand that I got, and guess the price I got this lotion. Just guess. I got this lotion for 3,800 naira. Imagine a bottle of goodness for such a price. 3,800 naira. Isn't it cheap, guys? Isn't it cheap? It is very affordable. And I even recommended it in a particular video I made for affordable body care products. I'll still link the video in the description box. All right, I got it and I was like, let me try it out, because I have heard a lot of reviews about this particular variant. I have heard a lot of reviews about it. I have been using it for 2 weeks, and guess what? This particular body lotion is highly moisturizing. This particular body lotion contains glycerin, so trust me that it is moisturizing, and it is even written here that it is for all skin types. So whether you have an oily skin, a dry skin, a normal skin, combination skin, sensitive skin, no matter your skin type, you can use this particular body lotion. Trust me, I have an oily skin, and this is exactly what I have been using for the past 2 weeks. Nivea has other variants that are for a particular skin type, but this particular one is for all skin types. This body lotion contains vitamin C and turmeric. We all know what vitamin C is. Vitamin C is a very good brightening ingredient that is going to help fade hyperpigmentation, fade dark spots, and all that. This body lotion is going to do it for you. But of course, it is not going to do it on its own. You will still going to need some supportive ingredients like your sunscreen and the rest. Please, this lotion is for the body. Oh, it's even written on the bottle. Body lotion. This body lotion has no business whatsoever on your face. This body lotion right here has no business whatsoever on your face. Do not use this on your face. If you have been using it on your face, stop. Go and get a different moisturizer for your face. Why? Because the skin on your face is tender and fragile, but this is just for your body. You have to note that the skin on your body and the skin on your face are not of the same type. The skin on your body is tougher than the skin on your face. You have a very tender skin on the face. That is why you can actually use your face care products on your body, but you cannot use your body care products on your face. Yes. And of course, the turmeric. Turmeric is a lightening ingredient, all right, that is going to help you lighten up dark patches on your skin. Also, one thing about this body lotion is if you have been bleaching, if you have been consuming products that contain steroids, all right, or maybe you have been overusing your lightening skincare products. Maybe you have a body lotion that contains kojic acid, arbutin, and the rest, and you have been using these products every day, and your skin barrier has been thinning out. Now, What you should do is that you should stop those products for now and fall back to body lotions like this. Body lotions that are highly moisturizing. That is exactly what you need. If you are tired of bleaching, because the truth is that no matter how much you preach about skin bleaching, some people will still want to bleach. That is the truth. So, my sister, whenever you are tired of bleaching and you want to fall back to the right way to get your skin back, go and buy body lotions like this. You can get this, or you can get Johnson's Vita Rich Brightening Body Lotion. Okay, these two body lotions are body lotions that are going to be very good for you. There are still other moisturizing body lotions you can go for, but for now, the ones I have used are the Johnson's and this Nivea. So guys, fall back to this lotion if you have a damaged skin barrier. Now, for the consistency of this product, for the smell, first of all, oh gosh, it smells so good. Go and buy yours so that you will understand what I mean. Now, for the consistency, it has should I call it a kind of watery consistency? Okay, it has this kind of watery. Let me come close. Let me come close to the camera. It has this kind of watery consistency. Just watch as I blend this into my skin. Just watch. Can you see the moisturizing effects? Like, can you see how neat my hands are? Can you see how neat and healthy my hands are? This is what you are going to experience when you use the right skincare products. Go and get the right skincare products for your skin, and you will surely thank me. You will come back to this channel and thank me. It is affordable. 3,800 naira. Guys, this is affordable now. It's affordable. It is better than all those expensive lightening products that contain steroids that you have been using. You see all those your lightening products, my sister, just in 2 weeks of using them, if you are not careful, you are going to suffer from a serious skin barrier damage, which I have already discussed in one of my videos. Go and check that out. Please go get, you should not lack a moisturizer in your skincare routine, and this body lotion sitting right here is a very, very good option for you to choose from. All right, so guys, see you in my next video. Of course, like, comment and share this video to your friends. Subscribe, hit the notification bell so that when next a new video pops up, you'll be the very first person to be notified. Bye.